Guys, what's up? It's me, Captain A3E, once again with another aircraft review. Right now, you are staring at an Air Canada Airbus A340-313 by Herpa wings in the scale 1/400. This aircraft had flown with Air Canada, but is no longer flying for Air Canada today. Now, I'll bring you to the front of the aircraft right there. And it's for Rolls-Royce turbofan engines. First off, starting with the stack ports, PO tubes, the cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. Air Canada is a member of Star Alliance. There you see the L1 door right there. Up towards the tail section. There's no registration of this aircraft right here. And I'll try to bring it around as much as I can. I'm doing a 360 right now. There you see the maple leaf. Air Canada. And that's it. Air Canada has used the Airbus A340-313 on the transatlantic flights from Toronto, Lester Pearson to London Heathrow, Paris Charles de Gaulle, Madrid, Barcelona, Lisbon, Montego Bay in Jamaica, and Kingston, and several other destinations, including Sao Paulo, Brazil. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video, and please, like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, from the airport lounge, this is Captain A3E, sign off for now.